ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ವಿಜಯ ಹಂಸ ಆರ್ಟ್ ಚಾನಲ್ಗೆ ಸ್ವಾಗತ ಸುಸ್ವಾಗತ. In this video you will get that a watercolor portrait. This is a challenging video for me. Do you want to know that who gave this challenge? It is none other than my irritating idiot bro. His name is Ankit and he is settled in UK. So what he has given challenge is using a watercolor. That watercolor is so cheapest to make a nice portrait. So I have tried this portrait by using a watercolor. So I think you have already seen that one oldest of my watercolor kit. I think I have used in a school, so I took that color kit. Let's start the portrait, okay? So I have done a complete sketch of him, so started applying the colors layer by layer. Choosing his skin tone is quite difficult for me because his skin looks like a little bit reddish. So I have used that one yellow, orange, little bit red mixed color to get a proper skin tone. I think you will get that one in the video. Please watch the complete video. Here almost I have done a face. Let's move on to a hairstyle. This is almost done. I have done a watercolor portrait of my sweet brother. I think you all enjoy this video. If you like the video, please hit the like button and subscribe to Vijay Hamsa Art channel. ಇವತ್ತಿನ ಈ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ನಿಮಗೆ ಇಷ್ಟವಾದಲ್ಲಿ ವಿಜಯ್ ಹಂಸ ಆರ್ಟ್ ಚಾನಲ್ನ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಲೈಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಕಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಫಾರ್ ವಾಚಿಂಗ್ ದ ವಿಡಿಯೋ. ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು.